Hey guys, this is Bird here, and I'm going to show you how to unroot your Samsung Galaxy S3. This goes for any Samsung Galaxy S3, but I am using the Sprint version, the SPH L710. But this goes for any variant of the Samsung Galaxy S3. All you got to do is click the right .tar file, and you'll know what I'm talking about here in a second. Alright, so onto the computer. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Samsung's website, and there we go, Samsung.com. On the right hand corner you'll see a link called support. You want to click that. You want to scroll down until you get to the mobile area, and it says mobile, Galaxy tab, cell phones, media players. You want to click on cell phones, of course. And then you want to locate your model number. Now, a way to get to your model number, if you don't know what it is, go ahead and press menu on your phone, go to settings, go all the way down till you get to about device, and then on the right there you have your model number. And mine is the SPH L710, so I'm going to navigate to that right now. On here, okay, I gotta go through Sprint. Then the model number is SPH L710. Sorry, I keep passing it. Alright, so there we go. There's my phone. And then you want to go to manuals and downloads. And then you want to go to down here to where it says see all downloads. And then you want to go right here to software, click on that, and then you want to install the drivers, the USB drivers, if you haven't already. If you already rooted your phone and you haven't messed with your computer and haven't deleted anything, your drivers should still be on there, so don't worry about this step if you already did that. Anyway, here we go. Next, what you want to do is download the Odin link I have below, and it'll give you Odin. If you already have Odin, don't worry about downloading it again. Just use the Odin that you have. It should be probably the same. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and download one now. Okay, so there we go. Click save. I'm gonna save it on my desktop so I can see it easier. Go ahead and click save, and that'll download, and it shouldn't take too long. There we go. And so you can minimize that, close out of this, and then you want to extract all. If you need a extractor program, I recommend 7-zip or WinRAR, but you want to extract all files. Click extract. And then once you extract the files, it'll open up, and then you want to get to this Odin 3 version 3.07 EXE or whatever version you have. Go ahead and open that up. And then we're ready to download our PDA. I'll include a link for that as well, and there will be nothing else to download. This is the last download link. So anyway, it'll lead you to this website, and you can just click on regular download. It is quite a big download, so it may take a while. It's 721 megabytes, so it may take longer than others. It may not take you that long at all, but it is a big file, so just expect that and that time. So go ahead and click save to my desktop so I can navigate to it, and I will be back when this is finished. Oh, I meant to mention, on this large file, make sure you download the right tar. I will specify which one is which, and just make sure that you download the right tar for your phone. So it'll be the AT&T, the i9300 version, which is the unlocked version, T-Mobile, and Sprint, and I'll have them in separate links so you can tell the difference, and just make sure you use the right tar file for your phone and your carrier. Okay, and we'll be back after this is finished downloading. It looks like I'm going to be here about 35 minutes. So, okay, so that took me a little bit longer than I thought, but it's downloaded. Took me 38 minutes to download, so it may take you longer, may take you shorter, may take you about the same amount of time. Just, you know, give yourself that leeway. Anyway, now it's downloaded onto my laptop. I'm going to minimize this, minimize Odin, exit out of that, I guess, and then I want to navigate to the folder and unzip it. So you want to go to right click and extract all, like you did with the Odin folder, and extract. So it's going to take a few seconds to do that, and I'll get back to you when it does. And we're done, and there we go, and it should pop up. This is the inside of the extracted folder, so you mainly just want this guy right here, this Kai's Home L710 Palin, blah blah blah. Make sure, you know, make sure you just get this file right here, and you can navigate to it and everything. If you want to, you can also pull it to your desktop, and that way it makes it easier to get to. So, and then after you do that, I'm gonna get back to Odin. Make sure you leave F reset time checked on and auto reboot checked on, and go to your PDA slot and click, and then navigate to that Kai's Home folder, or that Kai's Home file that I just put onto the desktop. So make sure you get to that MD5 file. Make sure that goes into the PDA slot. So give it a second and it'll go in there. Okay, and that actually took a little bit of time, more time than I thought it was going to take, but make sure, as long as that MD5 file goes in there, you're good to go. And now what you want to do is you want to get to your device, go ahead and power it off. So shut it down. Okay, and there we go. Once it shuts all the way off, you want to press volume down, power, and home, which is the center button. Whoops. Volume down, power, and home button all at the same time until you get to this screen right here, and then press the volume up button, and you will get into this, which is the Odin mode, at which point you can plug it into your computer via USB. And I'm going to go to a dual view so you can see both Odin mode and the phone. So give me a second. Okay, now that I have those two, I'm going to go ahead and click Start. As long as you make sure that auto reboot is checked on, F reset time is checked on, and the proper MD5 file is in the PDA slot. Go ahead and click Start. And this is going to take a while, so I will get back to you when this is done. If it takes longer than 15 minutes, redo the process. It should not take any longer than 15 minutes. So longest it took me ever trying it was probably around 9 minutes and 30 seconds. So I will check back with you in about 10 minutes. This is probably also a good time to mention, right after you plug your phone in, whenever it's in this mode, and you are in Odin, a little box should light up right here, and it should say COM something. It doesn't matter what the number is, as long as it says COM something, you're good to go. Just make sure that that is in there, and everything right after you plug your phone in. So, alright, I will get back to you as soon as it's finished. Alright, and now we're done, and your phone should be rebooting by itself. And there is your stock recovery. going back into action. And you should be unrooted. So we're going to wait for it to boot up and check to see if we still have super user, which you shouldn't. Oh, I'm sorry, it is going to want to upgrade as well. It's going to go through probably about 2 or 3 upgrades. I think they are the modem version, so it does take a little bit of time, but I mean, if you really want to be rooted or unrooted, it needs to take the time to upgrade. So it's going to go through these upgrades, probably going to be about 3 of them, 2 or 3 of them, maybe 4. So just you got to be patient with it and let it upgrade and let it restart as it needs to. Anyway, I'll get back to you as soon as it finishes upgrading and we'll take a look. Okay, so it finished the updates, and let's see and check if we got our super user out of there. So yep, it says super user, but all you have to do is delete it, and it says the application cannot be found, removed from app drawer. Say OK, and it's just that simple. It may appear like it's in there, but it's not really in there. So you are completely unrooted. I'll verify it with root checker as well to show you. Let's see. Where's my root checker? There it is. Sorry. So verify. Nope. Sorry, this device does not have proper root access. So there you go. You are unrooted. Cool, right? Yeah. Anyway, if you liked my video, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Subscribe button is up here, and give me a thumbs up down below, and share with your friends on Google+, Facebook, and Twitter, and I appreciate it. If you have trouble doing it, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'll try and get to all the comments as best as I can. If you get it and like you see somebody else is having trouble with it, you know, feel free to comment as well, and help them out. Anyway, I appreciate it, guys, and I hope this was helpful. Peace.